She is a contestant and the judges will be judging her.
Surprise them with a bang bang, left them with a bing bing. Everything my sing sing is a ting ting. Don't a prank in my fights, pan every dim ting. Bad mind could never stop my thing. Them say I be the one, for me still a win. Now makes them me I do me own thing. Me not too like issue of voting. For the dumb money dog, yo keep a floating.
Yeah, $1 million price, drop that song there. As a bad man.
Frankie
Surprise them with a bang bang, left them with a bing bing. Everything my sing sing is a ting ting. Don't a prank in my fights, pan every dim ting. Bad mind could never stop my thing. Them say I be the one, for me still a win. Now makes them me I do me own thing. Me not too like issue of voting. For the dumb money dog, yo keep a floating. The money dumping, I don't like sting shit. But when I'm in there, come to the galleries. Left the news to my movie in a plasma. Was it a link with NCB? Couple dog, yo, from 40. Me not too like me show about you. But the young money dog, yo, keep a floating. What ya? I see my floating, yeah. Is that a show about you? Everything I sing is a hit thing. Tell my friend give my vibes from everything. But mine that never stop my thing.
What do you say about Pebbles? Okay, now let us hear what the judges have to say about it.
My thing is, you should have taken that routine and make it yours. Take it off the stage and bring it into the audience. What's too simple for me? Alright, so it's a 7.
Pebbles, Pebbles, Pebbles. So it's an improvement from last week. Last week was redundant. This week you were just there dancing. You weren't projecting yourself out into the audience. You were not giving me the punch and the, that energy there. So hopefully next week you can come with more energy, more moves, and just project yourself. Show a little bit more confidence. But it's a 6 for me.
Alright, Pebbles. You need to get in a competition now. You're there long enough, you understand? But you just have to stay in a competition. But you have challenge. You have great challenges, you understand? So what we want next week from is a choreograph.